Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom meeting, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you raise your hand in a Zoom meeting call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to raise your hand in a Zoom meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably do a lot of different sales meetings or team meetings in Zoom. And if you're not the host, you might be muted. So you need to raise your hand so that way they know you have something to say. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in the Zoom call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. If I've ever logged into my Zoom call, this is a live call. And if you want to raise your hand on a Zoom call, down here at the bottom, you're going to see this little heart button. It's called React. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different emojis you can use, but you want to click on this one right here, raise hand. All right, once you do that, the host of the Zoom call is going to see this logo right here on the top left. And that lets them know that you've raised your hand and you're looking to say something in the Zoom meeting. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to raise your hand in a Zoom call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.